Hey guys, it's me Marin. For today, I will recreate the Eurovision 2021 San Marino Senhit Adrenalina makeup tutorial from her music video. If you want to know how I did this look, just keep on watching, and if you're an Eurovision fan and a makeup lover, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up down below and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Alright, so without further ado, let's get started.
Hey y'all, first things first is going to be priming the face. Now I will add some concealer on the nose first for stability, and don't forget to blend it. Next I'm applying some stick foundation also for durability, but only on the T-zone cause I'm more oily. And now applying some liquid full coverage foundation. Right after, adding some concealer under the eyes. And blending. Now it's time for carving out the brows very gently. And right now it's time for baking and caking the face as usual with a lot of loose setting powder. Applying some concealer on the eyelid and prepping for the eyeshadow look. Now I'm drawing the eyeshadow form with some purple. Adding some shimmer blue in the center. Yellow in the inner corner side. With purple, I will line the inner corner. Now I'm darkening the outer portion and drawing a little wing out there using some darker purple. Blending a little bit the line at the top. And adding some liner only on the lash line. Now it's time for contouring the face, and I'm going to start with the jawline. Next are the cheekbones and the forehead. Now I will add some peach blush. And I'm curling my lashes up to Jesus, adding some mascara and lashes, and that's it.
Alright you guys, this is the finished Senhit Adrenalina makeup tutorial all complete! Oh my lord, this makeup look is definitely screaming adrenalina. I swear. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up down below, click the bigger subscribe button, and finally click that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload a brand new video. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I'll definitely see you in my next one. Bye!